Hello guys, I am back with another gameplay of Call of Duty Mobile. So yeah, I have chosen my weapons already. So yeah, now I am going to jump into a match. So yeah, let's quickly go ahead and jump into a ranked match without wasting any time. Let's start this. Oh, it has been loaded so quickly. So yeah, when it will load, there are a lot of enemies and I have added a new optic on this weapon because now I am going to show you that. There it is. There's a new optic and a laser in this weapon. So yeah, let's go ahead and add a trap mine and a flash grenade so that enemies can die. Where are the enemies? I am not going to spare any enemy. There they are. They all are going to die. And they all died. Where are the other ones? There he is. Oh no! This enemy is behind me. He killed me with his AK-47. I know that weapon is also so powerful, and look at this, what a headshot. Cool. So yeah, let's quickly go ahead and add a trap mine and a flash grenade so that enemies can flash. And thank God it didn't flash me. Otherwise I will lose my half health. So yeah, let's quickly go ahead and kill a lot of enemies. Oh no, I missed my shot with my bazooka, but I have double kill. Yeah, hey. So yeah, let's add another trap mine and another flash grenade. Oh no, he killed me. Oh no, he killed me while adding a flash grenade. So yeah, let's kill this enemy. I have taken the revenge. Oh, let's take this weapon. This weapon is an ultimate weapon. There he is. This enemy is going to die. And there he is. He's going to die and he also died. And I have another kill. Oh, he's behind me. Oh, there he is. I can't see him. There he is. I'm not going to swear that enemy. Oh, he also died. Oh, this enemy also died. Let's take it. No, I'm not taking that new AK-47. Oh no, this enemy killed me with a weapon that I have already equipped. So yeah, let's quickly kill this enemy. And now I have my airdrop. Let's activate this. Oh no, this is not the correct place. Let's activate this here. And where will the helicopter come? There it is. But I can't shoot the helicopter. There he is. This enemy is going to die and he also died. Let's put out the missile and double boost, and I have one more kill. Let's put out the war machine and quickly go. Oh no, I killed myself. I actually properly don't know how to use the war machine properly. There he is. This enemy also died. Let's put out the missile and double boost and kill that enemy. And he also died. Let's kill this one also. And this enemy is also dead. Where are the other one? Oh no, he's behind me. He killed me again. And he took my weapon. Let's kill this enemy. Yes, he died because of my trap mine. There we go. And let's add another flash grenade and quickly go ahead and kill this enemy. He's behind me. There he is. He is behind me. Let's quickly go ahead and respawn and go behind that enemy again. Firstly kill this enemy. There he is. He's over here. Let's take his weapon. Because his weapon is looking very OP. And my robot is now activated. Let's quickly go and shoot it over here. There he is. This enemy is going to die. And he also died. And there it is, my robot. I'm going to activate this. Yes, it has been activated. Now I'm not going to spare any enemy at all. There he is. He also died. Where are the other enemies? I am not going to spare any enemy at all. So yeah. Oh, he's behind me. Let's kill this enemy. He is going somewhere. There he is. This enemy. This is a turret. Let's destroy this. He has unlimited ammo and he is shooting me randomly. Let's kill that enemy. Oh no. He has thrown a flash grenade. And my weapon is overheated. Let's hide. Let's hide. Because I am going to lose my health. Yes, I win this match. And I think so I have the first position. This is my Axel1 Live. There he is. I shoot in on his leg. And also the Axel1 Live has a lot more damage at all. So yeah, it is loading. Yeah, it has been loaded. Here you can see I finally have first position. Oh, let's exit this. And now I'm in Veterinary Elite 1. Yes. And now I have a new weapon also. There it is. It is an OP weapon. I have also watched this weapon reviews in my YouTube. So yeah, let's quickly go ahead and where is that weapon? It is in the LMG. I think so it is an LMG. Yeah, it is. Let's equip this. There is nothing in muzzle barrel. No. Spark. Laser. Laser is also not locked. 100 round belt. Cool. So yeah, let's go to customization rectile. Now I am going to add this one and let's quickly go ahead and jump into a match without wasting any time. And this is my second ranked match. And let's quickly go ahead and test out this weapon. Oh, these all enemies are so easy to kill, I think so. Oh, this is the whole entire map. I think so. This is a good map or not? Yes, it is a good map. I can smell it and feel it. So yeah, let's climb up like my teammate and kill all the enemies with my LMG. Let's kill this also. Oh, there he is. He also died. And now they all know my location. Oh no, I can't risk it. There he is. He is going to die. How did he kill my teammate? Let's kill him. Let's jump from here and kill a lot of enemies. Because we can't see enemies properly. Where are they? Oh, there is double enemy. Teammate, please look behind. You will also die. Let's set a trap mine. Oh, he didn't get the trap mine, but he has a shotgun. That's why he killed me so quickly. Let's quickly go ahead and kill these two enemies. But I have only one kill. Oh, where is the enemy's weapon? There it is. Let's take this. This is the ultimate's weapon. And it also has a lot of fire rate. So yeah, let's quickly go ahead and add another trap mine and another flash grenade over there. And quickly go and kill a lot of enemies. I can't see any enemy. There he is. He is going to die, but he didn't. Let's quickly go ahead and kill this enemy and this one also. Oh no, he killed me with his flame grenade. No. Let's add another trap mine and another flash grenade so that I can flash enemies and they lose half of their health. There he is. He's on top. Now I know his location. Now I'm not going to spare that enemy at all. Let's quickly go ahead and someone is behind me. There he is. Oh no, he killed me again. So yeah, now I'm not going to spare enemy at all. Where are they? I can't see anyone. There he is. Oh, my teammate already killed him. Let's kill this one also. Let's kill this one. Oh, and there he is. There are two of them. Oh, there is three of them. Oh my God, look at this. How many enemies are there? Let's quickly go ahead and put out an airdrop. And my war machine is also in. Let's shoot this helicopter if we can. No, we can't. Oh, let's ask this thing. I know this thing shoots the enemy's helicopter or flying enemy's weapon or thing. Let's quickly go. Oh no, he's behind me. He killed me again. So yeah, where are the enemies? Oh no, I died. We will and